In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up repeating work so your team stays consistent without manual reminders. We'll start in your workspace. From Overview, head into your team space. Then open the space where you manage tasks. Switch to List View so you can see all items clearly. This view makes it straightforward to add and configure the details we need. Next, create your task. Click Add Task. Give it a clear, action-oriented name, and click Save. For this walkthrough, it's just a sample, but use a real task you want to automate. Now click the task to open its details. You'll see fields like status, dates, and other properties. If you're tracking start and due dates, set your start date first so the schedule has a proper anchor. Scroll down to the date area and look for the Set Recurring option at the bottom. Click it to open the recurrent settings. Here's where the magic happens. You can choose weekly if the task repeats on the same weekday, or daily for routines that happen every day. If this task should never stop, set it to recur indefinitely so you don't have to recreate it later. Want more control? Switch to monthly and set it to the same day each month, perfect for billing cycles or monthly reports. The preview will show you how the schedule plays out so you can confirm it aligns with your plan. Next, decide when the next occurrence should generate. You can have the task recur when the status changes to closed or done, which is great if you only want a new one after you've completed the current one. Alternatively, choose an on-schedule option so the next task appears based on the calendar, regardless of status. You can also default the new instance to statuses like To Do or In Progress, depending on how your workflow starts. If needed, set a custom due date rule so each new instance gets the right timeline relative to its start. This keeps expectations consistent across repeats and avoids date drift. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your task is now set to recur automatically. You'll see the schedule applied, and future instances will follow the cadence you defined. With this setup, you'll keep routines methodical, reduce manual admin, and help your team stay on track. We trust you'll get the hang of it quickly. If this was helpful, give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. Until next time.